introduce ang inyong mga bayan sa amin. Ito iibahin ko, dahil talaga na lang kayo. Pag sinabi kasing beauty pageant, naka-high heels, naka-tight gowns, with beautiful, bathing suits, how do you feel now that you don't have to wear heavy makeups? Hindi kayo kailangan mag-high heels. Let's be ourselves.
Casual, diba?
Be our age. Ano ang pakiramdam that, you're dressed up the way you usually are?
Feel so relief. Relief talaga po kasi, I mean, no pressure at all. No sneakers and then no sneakers. We just have to be ourselves.
Alright. Miss Nueva.
Well, as we can see kasi sa beauty pageant is more on formal and then yung image talaga ng isang candidate is talaga kailangan almost perfect ka sa ibang tao. Well, dito kasi sa Millennial Philippines.
Diba? Fresh na fresh.
Well, dito kasi sa Millennial Philippines, ang napansin ko dito, sabi ko nga kanina sa mga nag-cater, sige po, tagdagan nyo lang yung foods ko, wala nang silver dito. And then, the good thing is, hindi sila tumitingin sa physical lang. So, yung purpose talaga ng isang millennial candidates is to promote our own province. At kailangan talaga alam namin sa sarili namin. Kilala namin yung sarili namin at the same time, yung mismong province namin. And no pressure talaga siya. Kasi sa beauty pageant talaga competitive din yung mga girls dun eh. Dito talaga, ever since na dumating ako, wala akong naramdaman. Yeah, sobrang friends talaga kami.
Parang markado na sila agad. So, Miss Cebu.
For me po, I like comfortable kasi I don't really like wearing makeup as you could observe.
Yeah, oo nga.
Opo.
Fresh lang ba?
So yun, tapos po, dito ko po talaga nakita na ang beauty pageants po ay hindi lang po puro beauty, but with purpose po. Kasi hindi po naman kailangan magsuot ng heels or makakapal ng makeup at saka sexy and revealing clothes. You just have to be ourselves po.
Alright. Thank you, ladies.
And that is what truly beauty is about. Thank you very much, ladies. Sabi